Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing what will carry the link. Select text, image, or shape and highlight it now. Once selected, open Insert and pick Link or press Ctrl+K to speed things up. In the dialog, decide whether to link to another slide, a local file, or a web address. This choice affects how viewers will navigate. Make sure to set a clear display name or alt text so users understand the link's purpose. This improves clarity and accessibility. Now configure the link's specific details. If you're linking inside the presentation, pick the exact target slide and check the slide number. For external files, choose Browse and prefer relative paths when you'll share the file, because absolute paths often break. For web links, paste the full URL and add a tooltip that explains where it goes. Once done, click Apply or OK. Then preview in Slide, show mode to validate behavior, and adjust timing or animations that might affect activation. Finish by testing each link in Slide Show mode. This is the only reliable check for live behavior. If a link fails, first verify the URL or file path, ensure the target slide still exists, and confirm that linked files are bundled with the presentation. Make sure hyperlinks aren't blocked by security settings when sharing. As a troubleshooting tip, if links break after moving the file, re-establish them using relative paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.